Hello everyone. In the last class we have learned about the divisibility rules of 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes or no? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. And today we will learn about the factors. So I gave you what do you mean by factors. So a factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to form a product. Factor is a number which is multiplied by another number to form a product. Suppose 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. So 6 is a product of that number, and 2 and 3 is a what? Is a factor of that number. So why that is known as factor? Let's learn it. So when a product is divided by one of its factor, then the remainder will be a 0. Okay. Then the remainder will be a 0. Means if we will divide 6 by 2, so what we will get? 3. If we divide 6 by 3, what we will get? 2. That means the remainder is 0. That means the multiplier and multiplicand is the factor of the product. Clear? For example, 2 is a factor of 18. Why? Because 2 divides 18 completely without get 0 as remainder, as you can see here. We can divide 18 completely by 2 without getting any remainder. So 2 is not a factor of 15. Why? Because if we will divide 15 by 2, we will get 1 as a remainder, as you can see here. So 2 is not a factor of 15. Got it, children? Now it's very important here. Okay, children? So keep it in mind. A factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to form a product. Got it? Now let's see the examples. We can find the factors of number by recalling the multiplication fact of numbers. Means by which number we can multiply to get the number on the in the questions. Got it? Suppose let's find out here. Now first step. Okay, find the number that can be multiplied to form on this number. Suppose 9. So we know that in table of 1 all the numbers are there. That means 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Got it? Now 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9, and 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So now write down all the multiplication fact possible for this number. So none of these numbers possible to make the multiplication of 9, because in table of 2 there is no 9, because 2 4 there, 2 5 there, 10. 9 is not there. 3 is possible. 4 is also not possible. So as you can see here, only these two number 1 3 1 9 and 3 is possible to write the number. So stop when the factors are same or multiplication fact of the given number started repeating. When the multiplication is same or if it started repeating, at that time we'll stop the writing of these factors. Now I'll show you here. As 3 is written twice the point, this point, we treat it as the point whereas the factor are repeating. That means this factor started repeating. So we will not take both the 3's, we will write only 1 3 as a factor of 9. Got it, children? When the two numbers are repeated accordingly, so in that case we will not write any number to give this. Got it? Now so factor of 24. It's very easy. Just see this one. Okay. Now step 1. Find the numbers that can be multiplied to form a number. So 1 is everywhere there. We will get 1. So 1 multiplied by 24 is 24. So 4 is in table of 2 is divisible. So let's do it. 4 2 12 the 24, then 3 8 the 24, 4 6 the 24, 6 4 the 24. Now you can see here 4 6 the 24 and 6 4 the 24. So these things are started repeating. So here we will stop writing the factor of this number. Now write down all the possibles. Now stop when the factors start repeating. So here it started repeating 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. The answer you will get same. So we stop here as the factor as are as same and the above statement, but in reverse order. We get the same but in the reverse order. So the factor of 24 is 1 2 3 4 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Just you make it U here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 14. Just you make it U here. Got it, children? Just you make it U. So, when we come to know that that is a factor of that number or not, if we will divide the number, same number, okay, if we will divide the given number with any number, if the numbers divides completely without any remainder except 0, that means that number is a factor of that given number. Got it, children? Now, so here what we have to do in this question, solve the following questions using the divisibility rules. Okay, children, using a divisibility rules, here we have to find out whether this 2 is a factor of 198 or not. Means just we need to see the last number. If the last number is divisible by 8, that means, sorry, divisible by 2, that means this 198 is a factor of 2. 2 is a factor of 198. Got it, children? So we all know that if the last digit is 0, 4, 2, 6, 8, that means that number is divisible by 2. That means yes, 2 is a yes, 2 is a factor of 198. Done. Very easy. Now, is 3 is a factor of 915. So what we have to do, we have to add this number. So 9 plus 1 plus 5. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. That means 915 is also divisible by 3. So yes, this is also yes, 3 is a factor of 915. Done. Now, is 4 is a factor of 7,330, 7,349. So what we have to do, just we need to divide these last two digits. So let's divide it by 4. 49, 4 1 is 4. So 0, this 9 will come, 4 2 is 8. Yes, 1 is a remainder, so no, it is not, the 4 is not a factor of 7,349. So no, 4 is not a factor of 900, sorry, 7,349. Got it? Now the last one, that 10 is a factor of 43 lakh 72,000, 4 lakh 37,298. So we all know that if the last digit is 0, then only that number is divisible by 10. Otherwise not. So this number is 8. So this is not divisible by 10. Here number D, no, 10 is not a factor of 4,37,290. Done. Very easy. Just we need to use the divisibility rule which I taught you in the previous class. Got it, children? Next. So now let's do question number 2. That write all the factors of the following numbers. So we'll start with number A. So very easy, 10. So 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. Very easy. Then last number is 0. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 3, not possible. 4, 5. Yes, we started repeating. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Just you need to make U here. Okay, 1, 2, 5, and 10. Then number B, that is 12. So 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 1, sorry, 2 into 6 is equal to also 12. 3 into 4 is equal to also 12. Then 4 into 3. So no need to write. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Just I'm making here U, and you try number C, number D, number E, and I'm going to write number F. Then number F is 5. So 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. So none of the other number is there. So the the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Got it, children? 1 and 5. So you try number H. I'm going to do this I. So 3600, 1 multiplied by 360 is equal to 360. So yes, it is also divisible by 2 because the last number is 0. So 360 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 1 6, 2 8 is 16, 0 0. Yes, this is 0. So 180 is equal to 360. Next, by 3 we will try. Yes, let's plus it. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So it's yes, it is divisible by 3. 1 is 3. 6, 3 2 just 6, and 0 is there, so 0. So 3 multiplied by 120 is equal to 360. Now by 4, the last is yes, is divisible by, it is divisible by 4 because 60 is divisible by 4. So, 4 4 9 ja 36, 0 will come down here, 0. So 90 is equal to 360. Now by 5 because the last digit is 0. So 5 7 ja 35, 1 0, 5 2 ja 10. So 5 multiplied by 72 is equal to 36. Yes, it is also divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 and 3. It is divisible by 2 and 3. So by 6, 6 6 are 36, 0 0. Yes, 6. Then here 60. So 360. Now we will try by 7. I will try by 7. 7, yes. 7, 7 5 ja 35. 1 0 7 1 ja 7. See, not possible. So now we will try with 8. Now we will try with 8. Now we will try by 8. So 8, 8 4 ja 24. 8 5 ja 14, not possible. 8 4 ja 8 4 32. Sorry, 8 4 32. 32. So 4 will come down. 8 5 ja 40. Yes, it is divisible by 8. So 8 multiplied by 45 is equal to 360. Now we will try by 9. Now we will try by 9. So 9. So 36. Yes, 4 9 ja 36. 0. Here also 0. So 9 multiplied by 40 is equal to 360. Okay. Now we will try by 10. Yes, it is possible to divide by 10 because the last number is 0. So by 10, that is 3, 10 1, 10 3 is a 30. So this 6, this 0, 6 is a 60 done. So yes, 10 multiplied by 36 is equal to 360. Now we will try by 11, 11, 11 3 is a 33. So 3 will come down. 11 3, 11 2 is a 22. So 8 not possible. So now we will try by 12. Now we will try by 12. So 12 2 is a 12, 3 is a 36. 0. So this 0 will come down 0. So 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 360. So 30. Now by 13 we will try. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, then 13 3 is 39. So 13 2 is 26. Okay. So 0 0, sorry, 1, and this will be 1. So now 13 5 ja how much? 13 5 ja 65, 13 6 ja 78, 13 7 ja 91, 13 8 ja 104. Not possible, so we will take 7, 91. So remainder is there, so 9. Remainder is there, so not possible. So let's try with 14. Okay, let's try with 14. Let's try with 14. So by 14, 360. 14 1 is 14, 14 2 is 28, 14 3 is 42. Not possible. So 14 2 is 14 2 is how much? 28. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 0. Then let's find out 14 3 is 42, 14 4 is 56, 14 5 is 70, 14 6 is 84. So 14 5 is 14 5 is 70. If we will take 14 6 is 84, so we will take 5. So 14 5 is 70. Still remainder is there, so we will not do. Again we'll try by 15. Okay, we'll try by 15. We'll try by 15. So 15 2 is 36. This is 0. 15 15 4 is how much? 15 4 is 60. So 4 is 60. Yes. 15 multiplied by 24 is equal to 360. Okay. Now we will try with 16. So 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48. So we will write 16 2 is 16 2 is 32. 4 will come down 0. Again we will take 16 3 is how much? 16 3 is 48. Not possible. So 16 2 is again we will take 32 8. Not possible. Now we will try by 17. Okay. Now we will try by 17. 17. So 17 multiplied by 1 is 17. 17 2 is 34. 17 3 is 51. So we will write 17 2 is. Okay. 17 2 is 34. So 2 0. Then 17 1 is 17. Not possible. 3 is remainder. Okay. Let it be. So now we will try by 18. Now we will try by 18. So 18 2 is 18 2 is 36. Then 0. Here also 0. So 18 multiplied by 20 is 360. In the same way. Then again in the same way we will check with 19. The 19 not possible by 19. So let's check 20. Yes, it is possible. So 20 multiplied by 18 is equal to 360. Now see the numbers started repeating. The numbers started repeating. So now here we will stop. Okay. So just we will make u from here. We'll start from here. Start from here. And it will be continue up to here. So these are the factors 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 8 9 10 12, 15, 18. Then after that 20, 24, 30, 36, 40, 45, 60, 72, 90, 120, 180 and 360 are the factors of this 360. Got it, children? So let's write down the factors. Factors of 360 are, start with from top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 30, 36, 36, then 40, 45, then 60, then 72, then 90, 120, 180, and the last is 360. These are the factors of 360. In the same way, we will do this one also. You try it, okay? And so now let's do